Hello, I'm Eva from the Food Forest Cookery channel. Today about limes, because our lime tree is fruiting like crazy. We've got plenty of limes, our family, friends as well already. Yeah, and you see they already yellow because they are so ripe, so they're falling off the tree. So I'm always looking for new ways how I can use them. And one of it was just recently, a few days ago, I have done the spicy lime pickles. And it's so delicious that I have decided to do a second batch now and show and share with you how I do it. So the recipe is really super easy, and you can use the sauce in so many different ways. You can use it as it is in salads, in soups, on your sandwich as well. You can use it in wok dishes, in pan dishes, and you can add it to your slow cooker dishes. You can marinate the meat with it. So really many different ways how you can use it. I will start now, will show you, and I hope you like it. If you did, please put a thumb up for me and subscribe if you still didn't. You will also find me on Instagram or Facebook. So yeah, let's get into it. So, as first you need to wash the limes properly, because you will use the whole lime. So that's done. Now we cut the limes in 8 or even 16 pieces, depends how large or how small your limes are. So here they were pretty small, so I cut each lime in 8 pieces. So you also need to remove the seeds, of course, as good as possible. So yeah, now we are adding salt and mixing good through. So the whole recipe you will find in our blog at foodforestcookery.com. So we mix it through, put a cling wrap on and put it into the fridge for 2 days. Important, you have to take it out of the fridge like 2 to 3 times per day and mix it through to get all the juices through the limes. So yeah, that's done. Cling wrap back on and back into the fridge. So after 2 days, we're preparing the remaining ingredients. So like the garlic, turmeric, ginger, and all the spices. I like to get the spices in whole and grind them when I need them, so they get all the flavors out when I want it. So yeah, getting it all ready, grinded and combined nicely together. So you can also do it in a food processor, or like I have done it this time. So it depends how much time I have. Okay, now we're heating the oil on medium heat and add the mustard seeds, getting them ready until they start to pop and get a nice golden color. So now we can add the garlic, our spices, turmeric and ginger, and mix it good through and cook for a few minutes until the flavors come out and you can smell really beautiful, nice aromas. So now is the time for the limes. Mix it good through, adding water, brown sugar or raw sugar if you don't have the brown sugar. It doesn't really matter. And the vinegar, white or apple cider vinegar. Mix it good through and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until ready, stirring in between until the mixture is nice and thick. And here I'm checking the lime So if I can cut it with the spoon, it means they're really nice and soft. So it's already now moving into clean jars. Yeah, it's hot. Closing them, and yeah, we're pretty much ready. So I'm cleaning it with the paper towel here because I got a drop on the edge, and this is not good if you want to keep it for a while. So it needs to be super clean, everything. So yeah, closing properly, and we've done. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.